Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Everything Made Easy. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate speech to text recognition software on your computer. And I'm going to show you how to use the speech to text recognition software that is inbuilt in your computer on Word. So you'll be able to use your Microsoft Word speech recognition software to type words on Microsoft. Before I proceed, I would like you to like this video and subscribe for other upcoming videos, because the goal of this channel is to show you the easiest way that you can learn about everything. I know there are people out there, they don't like videos that are long. They get somehow they find it difficult to learn something when the thing has a lot of stages. So these steps, I'm going to show you the easiest way. This channel is to show you the easiest way, to save you time, save you energy, save you money. This is the objective of this channel. Okay, so now let's go to how to activate speech to text voice recognition. So I'm going to activate it first for Windows. Then the second phase, we are going to use it on Microsoft Word, because that's where we want to go. We want to use it on Microsoft Word so that you will be able to speak to your mic while Microsoft Word does the typing for you. Okay, good. Okay, now we want to come to the search box. Come to your task bar. There's a search box. And there's a Microsoft, Windows icon. Okay, so on this in this search box, we're going to type control panel. Okay, so forget about this. You go to control panel. Forget about this speech recognition. It won't appear on your laptop or on your computer because you have not yet activated it. Okay, we'll click control panel. Okay, now this is our control panel. But we can't see where actually to activate any speech to text recognition. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that we're going to go to the right. You see the search box on the right. So we're going to type speech recognition. Okay, so this is speech recognition already. So immediately begin to type. Immediately you start typing speech, it comes on your left. It appears, and there's speech recognition. So you click the first one, speech recognition. Okay, takes you to another page. Now I still click the first one, start speech recognition. So we want to start speech recognition. Okay, we're going to click start speech recognition. Okay, this is it. Okay, it has been activated. Okay, it has been activated. So let me show you something how to use this speech recognition. So when you click, it shows listening. When you click, it shows sleeping. So before you use it, you need to be sure if it's actually sleeping or it's listening. When it's sleeping, it's not working, it's not functioning, it's not listening to you. So you have to be sure that actually it's awake, it's listening to what you're saying. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that next step now is we want to use it on Microsoft Word so that we can be speaking and then Microsoft Word does the typing for us. Okay, so we're going to go to Microsoft Word here. Okay, so this is my Microsoft Word. So I'm going to like activate. Now it's listening. So it's listening what I'm saying, and it's going to be typing. So what I'm trying to say now is that you need to be careful. You need to, your words need to be clear. Your pronunciation need to be clear while you are using this particular speech recognition software, Microsoft. And if you have multiple languages like I have here, you need to make sure that you use the right one. United Kingdom, United States, for each. So guys, that's just like all. I don't want the video to be long. I want it to be very short. And this is how it works. It's activated, and what you'll be saying is going to be typing. But make sure that your words need to be like clear, clear, so that at least your words need to be clear. You need to pronounce word clearly, so that the speech recognition software can like know the words what you are trying to say. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. I hope it helps. Please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe so that you could be notified for new videos that I'll be releasing. Okay.